Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good afternoon, Eastern Iowa. I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Danny Cassidy. We're at the last of the work week. Not too bad of weather out there, but it is getting a little bit warmer and a little bit muggy, and that trend's going to continue as we head into the weekend. Temperatures for today will be in the low to mid 80s. We'll continue to see that lingering haze from the wildfire smoke, but it'll stay elevated, so air quality issues will stay minimal and it'll improve throughout the day into the weekend. Mix of sun and clouds, and again, we'll be on the muggy side. For tonight, mostly clear skies, a little bit warmer where it's closer to that surface boundary, bringing the warmer air in the mid to upper 60s, low to mid 60s to the north and east, and with a light southeast wind around 5 to 10. Then to kick off the weekend tomorrow, once again, going to be on the warmer and muggy side, even more so now, mid to upper 80s for high temperatures. The haze continues to exit, and winds will be out of the south around 5 to 15. Those dew points will be on the rise and will be in the low to possibly mid 70s through at least portions of early next week. It's getting into that time of year where late July, early August, we're getting all of that moisture, kind of that corn sweat, so to speak. That'll be prominent for us as we head into the final week of June. And with the heat building as well as the humidity, we'll be seeing those peak forecast heat indexes close to 100 degrees at some points. It will take a little bit of a dip Sunday due to a kind of weak, we'll say, system moving through from the south, and will cool us down a couple degrees, but it'll shoot back up on Monday, triple digits in some areas, and Tuesday will be close to 100 degrees as well. Now, with that build-in humidity, of course, you're always wondering, are we going to have some storm chance associated with this? And we will, I think, especially Sunday night into early Monday. So there is a level 1 risk for much of the upper Midwest. And again, now you may be wondering, why is it only a level 1? We've got the moisture, we got kind of the energy. Well, the thing is, the wind shear, so the wind field, so to speak, aren't necessarily all there for organized severe activity, but with that moisture, we will have the chance of some showers and storms. And it's only on our western edge due to the timing. I think much of it will be late into the overnight hours, Sunday into early Monday. So by the time it gets here, yeah, it could still be strong, but I think it will lose a little bit of steam by the time it does arrive in eastern Iowa. But could see some heavy rain as well as small hail and gusty winds out of the system. So let's jump ahead to Saturday night. So I think we'll be dry for Saturday, and then into early Sunday, could see a few showers pop up from this weak disturbance from the south. So you can see here 7 a.m. and you can see it, the brunt of it off to our east Sunday, but a couple of showers could trickle into portions of eastern Iowa. And then we could see some scattered showers and a few rumbles of thunder during the day on Sunday. But again, I think we'll stay below the severe criteria there just because of the weak wind shear that we'll be experiencing. And then we'll see, again, more scattered shower and storm activity here Sunday, mainly for our eastern areas, while our western areas a little bit farther away from that disturbance, probably won't see as much. Then here comes Sunday night into early Monday, and you see that system start to arrive. And again, you saw maybe that little bit of a bow, and then as it got here, it kind of weakened a little bit. So I think Monday morning, if it does hold through, we could see some showers and storms during the daytime there, and then maybe regeneration ahead of a weak front that'll be moving through. So we'll keep an eye on that. But again, for now, severe threat is at least low with that system. Your city-by-city forecast for Waterloo, Dubuque, Cedar Rapids, and Iowa City. So as I mentioned, a little bit of a better chance for our storm system or storm chances east. Iowa City, Dubuque, and Cedar Rapids, 30% for Sunday. Waterloo area at a 20% right now. Then as we get into next week, we'll still be in this very hot and humid conditions, and with very warm air aloft. I think on Tuesday, I think storm chances will be very limited because we'll have a cap in place, meaning those storms can't form. That cap, though, could erode Wednesday and especially Wednesday evening into the day on Thursday. We will be watching this area right now. No official Storm Prediction Center outlook for severe weather, but it's something we'll be monitoring as we get closer and as exact timing, location, kind of the nitty-gritty details do come into play. After Thursday, that front will leave Friday, cool us down a little bit, but still going to be pretty warm into next week with temperatures staying in the mid to upper 80s for that first weekend of August.